Hello and welcome to my channel today. Hi, hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are filming a bit of a negative video. Some of these products are fails. Some of these are just not for me, but in general, I'm not recommending these. They are not good products. So let's start in no particular order with the worst product maybe. So this is the L'Oreal Lay Shadow Stick. This is affordable, but this is so bad. I bought this especially for my waterline because I do like, as today you can see that I have a burgundy pencil on my waterline. I do like applying that just for a pop of color or a pop of something. And this burned my eyes. And if you are applying this as a normal shadow stick, because sure, maybe that is the purpose of it, just to be used on the lid, it is the most boring and basic eyeshadow stick out there. Just use a brown eyeshadow that is maybe with some shimmer all over the lid, and it will look better than this one, and it will be easier to apply. There is no point in purchasing this product, and like I said, it burned my eye. I was just crying. Next, I have two products for the brows because my Too Faced brow gel, that is my absolute favorite one, is getting discontinued or is already discontinued. I was trying to figure out what to use instead, and these two very bad products. The Ardell brow sculpting gel is practically a hair gel or something in a tube. Very goopy, it did nothing. And this applicator, it's just too giant for my brows, so it's very messy, and I will use this one for my baby hairs. It is what it is. And this one is not even strong enough for my baby hair, if you can believe that. And this is the Benefit Fluff Up Brow Wax. My brows are dropping after like 30 minutes. This is a joke again. Benefit is doing some incredible brow products, but this is not one of them in my opinion. I understand the flexibility of it. The Too Faced one is flexible as well. You can rearrange the hairs after or put a bit more or something like that. They are not crusty, but this is just doing nothing, so there is no point. Cannot recommend products like this. Then a foundation that is not a bad foundation, but for the price and everything, and it is not impressing me. So is not a fail, but the ABH foundation. I'm wearing it today, mixed it in with a skin tint, and in that way it looks nice, but it's just too heavy on its own. Sure, it is a full coverage, you can apply a small amount. It's just not blurring. First of all, in my opinion, it is called the Impeccable Blurring Second Skin. It's not second skin, and it is not blurring. I just love the Beauty one. That is the best foundation, and this is just, it's wearing okay, it looks okay, but I want more. I want more than okay. So overall, this is just too heavy in my opinion. A product that is on the opposite side is not heavy, but is doing too little for me. This is the Revolution Skin Silk Under Eye Brightener and Concealer. Today I'm wearing it on top of the Haus Labs concealer. Didn't like the Haus Labs as well, but that is not a big fail, and my light did die and I didn't. 1 second, let me put the light on. So this one is just very creamy, so it is creasing, and it doesn't look cakey or something like that, so that's a bonus. The packaging is very nice. It's just not for me. But if I'm using this product, I still need to use the heavy duty Huda Beauty powder, otherwise this will crease like crazy. And similar to that, in the same kind of way, is this one. This is the Olehenriksen Banana Bright Vitamin CC stick. This, from what I understand, should be a corrector. But in my very humble opinion, a corrector should have a bit of coverage as well, right? So would be able to see it. This is like a yellow stick of butter. It's not creasing that much. It's not that oily like a butter stick of butter. But you know, it's not doing too much. So if I want to apply a lot of product and practically see no results, I could apply this too. A lip product that is not a fail, but just keep your money. This is a waste of money. It's just the most basic lip gloss out there. This is a Supershine lip gloss from Makeup by Mario. It's a shiny lip gloss, but there are a million drugstore lip glosses that are maybe even better than this one. So what's the point? Another product that I heard some really good stuff about, but yeah, I'm wearing it today and it looks great because let me tell you about the product because you have no idea where to look. This is the L'Oreal Lumi Le Liquid Blush. I kept this one in the declutter. I think I filmed declutter and kept this one because I was like, I can use it. It is usable. Sure, it is usable. Don't get me wrong. This again is not a fail. It's more like a preference stuff. Why should I make this product work when I have blushes that are working on their own? I can just use a normal blush, blend them on my cheek. They look great. End of story. Why should I just maneuver this one that much? It doesn't do that much. So if you do like a liquid blush, this is a good quality one. But it's not perfect. It's not a Rare Beauty one. That one is the most easy liquid blush in the world. Another product that I saw so many sponsorship with this one and the other colors as well. Come on. I understand that the subtle differences could make or break a look, but at the same time, I'm wearing this mascara today and I have a lot of burgundy accents in my look. So only because of that you can maybe consider that this mascara is burgundy, but come on. I did upper lashes black and lower lashes with this. You need to put the lashes under a microscope to see that this is burgundy. So no, please, if you want to do a burgundy mascara, make it burgundy. Not just black with maybe an undertone of burgundy. I don't want that. I purchased a burgundy one. And lastly, I have the Revolution blush. I am done. I am done with drugstore blushes. The drugstore doesn't know how to do blushes, and that's a fact. This is just, I don't know if I will be able to show you like this. This is a metallic eyeshadow in a pan called a blush. That's my description. It is emphasizing texture. I cannot describe to you how unnatural this looks on the cheeks. This was everything, a bit of a negative video, but just skip these. These are not, at least if you have my taste in some categories, just skip these. They are not worth it, and some of them are really bad. Some of them are absolutely useless, and some of them are just emphasizing everything. So yeah, what's the point then? If you like this video and you want to see more from me, please subscribe and give it a like, and I will see you next time.